from Shell's Time Kitchen today, fried chicken. Fried chicken can be done so many ways, coated with egg, water, flour, cornstarch. Stay tuned for this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Shell's Time Kitchen. Today I'll be making a quick video on some honey mustard fried chicken, where I will be using flour base to prep this. I have lots of fried chicken and even wing videos in my chicken playlist on YouTube. So I seasoned some drumsticks and some leg quarters, and I left them overnight because your girl did not use any salt, and I want all my herbs and spices to really seep in and soak into my chicken. All the ingredients that I use, you can pause the video to see: paprika, saffron, chili, garlic powder. I used them all, and also some powdered mustard along with the honey mustard that I used. So I coated my chicken in some buttermilk, then I added it in the flour-based dried ingredients while my oil is heating, and I did use some vegetable oil for this. So I dip in the liquid first, and then I add in the flour base, and then I'm about to fry this on my stove. You can choose to use egg wash. I did not use any egg in this. The buttermilk and the mustard will help to add additional flavor to this. You want to make sure you coat this well in the flour or in the dried ingredients, because if it is not completely floured, then it will not come out crispy as you want it. So you want to make sure that it is really covered in flour, especially because it is damp, it is wet. Once done, my oil is there heating, and I'll be frying my chicken. We just felt for some fried chicken, and I decided, let me do a video on this. I have lots of fried chicken videos on my channel in a chicken playlist. Once I am done, I added this to a dish, and then I added some garlic and some pepper in my oil, and I choose not to use a lot of oil to cover the chicken fully. I use a little, and then I'll switch adjacent sides to allow to fry as dry as I want it. I like my chicken really crunchy and crispy. See, my stove was a little high, and of course I caught it in time. It started to like catch a little, but it's not burned and it's not dry. It's crispy as I like it, and I love to use my fork to bore through to allow heat to seep in through, so my chicken is not raw. Listen, this was delicious. I haven't had fried chicken in a while because I'm trying to stay away as much as I can from fried foods. Welcome to my channel. If you're new and you've made it this far in the video, thank you. Big shout out to you, and thank you for the support. Yes, there goes my fried chicken. And this Jamaican style Sunday dinner was served with my Cajun dirty rice, a little oxtail, some Hawaiian pasta, plantains, my fried chicken, and some reggae salad. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, that was a Jamaican style Sunday dinner, with the exception of the Cajun dirty rice. On to the next.